Welcome to another rainy day in lockdown. I always take Thursdays off in lieu of Saturdays. Firstly because I like to split the week in two, and secondly because most weddings are on Saturdays, so it just kind of makes sense for me to get into the habit of always working on a Saturday. That being said, I had a few inquiries come in late yesterday, so I need to reply to those this morning. We'll be lucky if we manage to get outside today, I think. It might be a sofa day. I've been using an app in this lockdown to try and improve my French a bit. So my degree was actually in law with French, and as part of that I lived in France for a whole year, and I thought by the end of that I'd be fluent, but it didn't quite work out like that. This package has just arrived, and it's something that's kind of exciting, but also kind of boring. So exciting because it's new gear, and I love getting new gear, but boring because it's just lights. Over lockdown I've been trying to find areas of my filmmaking and areas of the business, areas that are kind of the weak link in the chain, areas that need improvement. So I've been investing pretty heavily in new gear, and using this time to learn how to use the gear to the best of its ability. So I bought a new camera, I bought a new drone, I bought sunglasses for the drone, and now I bought a new light. So I'll only really ever use lights on a dance floor that is super dark, and it allows me to kind of shoot interesting shapes and silhouettes into the light, and it also allows me to shoot with the light so I can actually see the people. So these ridiculously expensive lights are going to really improve that lighting setup that I have on those occasions when I do use it, just to make sure that your film is as good looking as it can be.